Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.
Next one, next one, next one.
아픈 데가 한두 군데 아니야. 병원을 못 가. 돈이 없어서. 사장님 돈 준다고 했잖아요.
That's why he's in debt?
자, 내가 좀 바쁘다.
Oh, I'm gonna be in his side even more now. He's being used.
제발 돈 주세요. 일만 좀 개새끼야. 너한테 욕하기가.
Take the money. I don't care. Really, I don't care. But you have to disappear now.
맘 먹고 친구 그들을 찾을 방법이 없디. 요즘 국경 경비가 잘 보내줘서 강원 얻으면 명이 막 해오라고.
그래서 얼마인데?
You're doing that for your parents to be with you?
뭐 가는 비용만 그렇고 거기서 다시 남자손으로 장관의 돈이 말만 믿고 돈을 보냈어. 그 새끼들이 돈만 받고 나를 줄은 진짜 몰랐다. 구해온다. 한 번 더 너 속이면 다음엔 무조건 못 뜯었을 거야.
He wanted to continue the game. That feeling that I have about her, she's a survivor, she's a fighter.
언제 돌아와?
일이 좀 길어져서 아직 잘 모르겠어.
You're not gonna...
우리 아들 조심해. 상우야, 손님 왔다. 너 올 때 뭐 사오지 말어. 응? 엄마 아무것도 필요 없어. 알았지? 사랑해 아들.
Your moms are the best, guys. For now, each time, you know, it's a family reason for why they're gonna come back into the game.
혹시 조상우 씨 어머니 되십니까?
No!
조상우.
She's gonna be 70.
조상우 씨 지금
No.
어디 있습니까? 조상우 씨께서 횡령과 사문서 위조, 특정 경제범죄 간첩벌법 위반 혐의로 체포영장이 발부됐습니다. 누굴 체포해요?
I'm gonna cry again.
우리 아들은 뭘 잘못하고 그런 애가 아니에요. 아드님하고 연락되시면은
Okay, I'm attached to the characters now.
누구시죠?
It's Guillaume, no? No. Are they all gonna come back?
ऐसे रोड जितना जल्दी हो सके क्या टिकट बुक करके बच्चे को लेकर घर वापस जाओ। तुम दोनों को पहले वापस जाना होगा। मैं अपना काम खत्म करके घर वापस जाऊंगा। तुम दोनों उम्मीद है तुम मेरी इस परेशानी को समझ पा रही होगी।
I'm gonna want all of you to win together and to share the prize because I'm gonna think about your family and I'm gonna be sad for them.
자네?
Grandpa?
영감님. 맞지?
You know my theory about him. And again, I'm gonna be really sorry if I'm wrong.
영감님도 이 동네 사세요? 아니야.
Mm-hmm.
이 근처에 아는 사람이 있어. 우리가 인연이 있나 보네.
It's almost too easy for me to suspect him. Why did you want the money? It was for the surgery, really?
아니, 나 다시 가기로 했어. 어차피 얼마 못 살 텐데 이렇게 죽을 날만 기다려가 거기서 내가 1등을지 여기가 더 지옥이야.
Ah, I have to suspect the grandpa.
아 나오는데 업소에서 빨라진 손님들끼리 싸움이 붙어서요. 아 근데 지금 회장님께서 형님 찾는다고 인천역
The big boss?
하다는데 네가 화요일까지 애들 끌어모을 수 있을 만큼 뭐 하나? 현금 몇 자로 꺼내놓고
You can't get them with you.
그 가면 새끼를 잡아 죽여가지고 이 새끼들이 금고인으로 쳐들어가는 거야. 그게 형님 말씀.
I'm not sure of your plan.
지금 회장님하고 돈 문제로 형님이 잠수 타시고 인천바닥에 소문이
That's why you're desperate.
네가 그걸 어떻게 알았어? 형님 그러니까 그거 좀 적당히 좀 하시지. 이 새끼는
not a lawyer to you.
혹시 필리핀 정기권 애들이 네가 미국 돈 대신에 미간 해파
Jump from the bridge, you know. At least in GTA, that's why I would do. Not the first time that you're killing someone. During a game, you're gonna do it. He's gonna jump!
얼마나?
I'm scared by that kind of picture. Your ex-wife?
당신 진짜 너무한다고 생각 안 해? 당신이 뭐 나한테 위자료를 줬어? 아니면 애들 양육이란 걸 준 적 있어?
미안해. 엄마 병원비 때문에 그래.
You're gonna believe him. You know, I'm sure that he's used to lie to you.
돈 없어. 우리 사이도 빠듯해.
우리 엄마가 그래도 너한테 잘해줬잖아. 내가 못
She's
찾는
not lying.
내가 꼭 갚을게.
그럴 돈 없어.
그럼 그 사람한테 좀
미쳤어? 애들랑 보고 있으면
The kid's
너
dad?
자꾸 왜 근데 그 인간이 애들 아빠야?
Yes.
근데 너 그런 자격이 있다고 생각해? 너 가영이 나타난 내 옆에 있기라 했어?
할 수가 없었다고. 동료가 쓰러졌는데
나도 쓰러졌어. 가영이 죽을 뻔했어.
그러면 그냥 죽었어. 내 눈을 안 보여. 병원에 좀 먹다고 죽었다고.
Really? It happened like that? I'm sorry for both of you.
나는 안 말할게. 나가 볼게.
Oh girl. She can't understand what you're doing right now.
문 앞에서 기다리고 있잖아.
She's gonna go after him to give him the umbrella.
누구죠? 돈 필요하다면서요?
Come on, you have no pride. We already made that clear. You know, accept. Yes.
우리 가족 앞에 다시는 안 나타난 주소는
Give him back the money. I don't care.
이제 미국으로 떠나야 되는데 자꾸 이런 식으로 무슨 나타나지.
I'm sure he had good intentions, but it's a big no. How can you ask that to a dad? Okay, it's a show which can be great. I think that we made that clear with this episode. Okay. I didn't know it myself.
정윤 씨,
The inspector.
술 먹고 심심해서 그냥 지원했던 거예요. 성기훈 씨가 가지고 있던 명함, 저희 형도 가지고 있었어요. 아, 저는 그냥 길에 떨어져 있길래 그냥 주워서 넣고 하는 것 뿐이에요. 성기훈 씨,
He deserves to know what happened to his mother.
저희 형 찾아야 합니다. 죄송한데요. 제가 지금 그 도울 수 있는 처지가 아닙니다.
You think that about yourself? Just a poor guy. Oh, I'm sad for everyone. It's not good. You're all gonna go back. I mean, all of the characters that we know. But how many are gonna go back really? 201 we had. You were afraid that they were not gonna come to pick you. Now you know really where you're going. At first, they went for financial reasons. Right there, they're all going back for family reasons. Except for the bossy boss guy, you know. The policeman? Can you follow them just like that? You clever girl. You covered. Oh, she's so clever! She wants to see where they are going. We know that it's on an island surrounded by the ocean and all. It's logical for an island. Hey, oh, stop! I think that it's really important, the localization of it. We ended the first episode by discovering where all of that is happening. We're finishing this episode with the girl, you know, who did that, was clever enough to think about it, so she's gonna know where they are going. So I think that the localization is gonna be important. I thought at the end of the episode 1 that it was gonna be important because they were gonna try at some point to escape. Some of them were gonna try to escape, but I thought that they showed us that it was on an island to tell us that no, they can't escape. Now, after this episode, I'm not so sure of it. I'm sure that they're gonna try to escape at some point, but the fact that they're not gonna be able to do it, I'm not so sure of it. Because, you know, I was really surprised by the fact that they left that game, they went back into the real world. After that, they're coming back into it. And also we have this story with the policeman. It's making me think that, you know, at first I thought that the show was gonna be only about the games into that place, what is happening right there. You know, I really thought that it was gonna be a closed space thing, you know, show. And it's not at all. They left that place and we had this entire episode about them out of that place, and we have this story with the policeman who is gonna try to investigate on what is happening right there. Because of that, I think that yes, they're gonna try to escape and maybe they're gonna succeed, or at least more than what I thought before. It's gonna be important because of that, the localization and all. I'm beginning to, you know, to make a theory about that, like I have a theory about a lot of things with this show. I was so shocked, you know, that they released them. They knew that some of them would come back. How many came back? I'm not so sure. You know, I'm not sure that all of them, all of the 200 ones came back into the game. Maybe not all of them. Maybe they lost at least 20 of them. Maybe 20 of them are still alive and are not gonna come back. I want to believe, you know, in human nature. But again, like I said during the episode, at first they went for financial reasons. Right there, they are coming back for personal reasons, family reasons. For most of them, all of the characters that we are following, it's for family reasons. One of them, the bossy boss, you know, killer guy, it's for his personal reasons, you know, the fact that he's threatened, his life is threatened, so he has to escape. And we have the grandpa, him, it seems to be for healthy reasons, you know, to have his surgery, but I'm sorry, I have to suspect him, because right there, he didn't even say that, you know, that he's doing all of that for financial reasons, to have his surgery and all. He didn't say anything about that. He said that he has a brain tumor, he's gonna die, life right there, it's a torture for him, and maybe it's better, in fact, to be into the game. Like, his reasons to come back, it's not, I need that because I need my surgery and all. We as viewers, we can think that because also we have Gi-eun, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, but I'm trying. We have Gi-eun mom who has that health issue and who needs money to have her surgery, and also we can think that okay, he has a brain tumor, he's doing all of that to have his surgery, but he's not saying that, him, not at all. He's saying that he wants to go back, in a way, just to go back, because life is worst out of the game. Maybe it's just that, you know, maybe I'm wrong to suspect him to be involved into that game, to be one of the mastermind or something like that. Maybe I'm wrong about it, totally, since the beginning. But this episode is not convincing me that I'm wrong. On the contrary, it's giving me something, a little thing, in addition to think that I'm right. Because of that, because he's not explaining himself better than what he did during the first episode, and also because a reunion just like that with our guy, you know, with the main character, Like, really, your destiny was to meet again like that? I believe in destiny, but right there it's maybe too much. And also the reason why he's right there, it's because he's visiting one friend. Like, after what happened to you, you don't want to go home, you prefer to go to see your friend who is living around this area. And we didn't see where he was released. We saw where our main character, you know, Ji-hoon was released, the girl was released, Ali where he was released with, oh, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, Sang-woo. I'm trying. These four we saw where they were released, but the grandpa we didn't see it. And the bossy boss guy, we didn't see it, but we saw his life, you know. All of them, we saw their lives. The bossy boss, the girl, Ali, Ji-hoon, Sang-woo, I don't know how to pronounce it, shut up. We saw their lives, we saw the reasons why they are into this game. We saw things also, I'm gonna come back to that later. We saw all of the reasons why they are coming back into the game. We saw their lives, we saw also why they went into the game at first. We discovered more about them. The grandpa, I'm sorry, I didn't discover anything about him. We just repeated the fact that he has a brain tumor, and again, it didn't give me any reason to come back into it. Not real one, not deep one, you know. I don't know. Maybe he's just bored, and I'm totally wrong to suspect him. You know, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be so sad, you know, and so sorry that I suspected him during all of this time and all. But until I see something to not believe that anymore, I'm gonna continue with this theory. Okay, I was saying they showed us all of their lives, and it's really good, you know, it's really clever, because I said during my intro that I was already involved into the show, that I was already excited about it, and that I was really into it, trying to make series and all, but that maybe I was not gonna be involved with the characters, that I was not sure that it was that kind of show for me, but also in general, you know, that I was not sure that they were making that show for viewers to get attached to the characters. And see, with this episode, in fact, yes, the writers are saying to the viewers, I want you to get attached to the characters, I want you to discover more about them, I want you to know their reasons, so when they're gonna be into the game, you're gonna think about it, about their families, and you're gonna be sad, and you're gonna want them to survive, to win. Only one of them can win? I can't remember that part, you know, of the game. For me, they can win as a group, because again, I have this theory about the fact that the first game that we saw at the beginning of the episode 1 is gonna be the final game, and at the end of that kid game, it was a group which was cheering, you know, like we won and all. So maybe they can win as a group. Four kids won that kid game during the memory. So only 4 of them are gonna survive? Oh, I don't want to choose. Not now. I appreciate a lot of them. Ali is so nice. And all of them, they have really family reasons. The brother and sister. I have a little brother, I have a big sister, and really, brother and sister relationships, if you are watching my other reaction videos, you know how much that I can relate to them really quick. I'm really maybe too protective with my brother, especially with my brother because he's the little one, you know. Not so little, no. Like today we celebrated his 23rd birthday, so really, he's not that young now. He's not a kid, but he's still my little brother, you know. So really, that moment, yes, I can get attached to these characters, and that episode was for that, for the viewers, getting attached to the characters by knowing more about them, about their stories, about their backgrounds, about their reasons, why they're coming back and why they're gonna fight, and the consequences of them winning or losing. I already cried. I'm saying that because you know that I'm an emotional person. If you are new on my channel, just know that I'm an emotional person. I don't have little emotions. When I'm happy, you know, I'm really happy. When I'm sad, I'm really sad. When I'm mad, I'm really mad. It's really rare for me to be between that, you know, to have usual emotions, to just be like, oh, that's sad. No, I'm not saying stuff like that. If it's sad, you know, and I'm crying as hell. So for me to begin to cry episode 2 just by discovering their stories, not being so involved with them yet. How are we gonna end this season? I think that 9 episodes we're gonna finish the games, you know, at the end of the season. I don't know if it's supposed to be a show with a lot of different seasons, but I can imagine that we're gonna finish all of the games, you know, at the end of the season. Maybe we're not gonna have the reveal of who is the mastermind, who is organizing all of that, how it's working and all. Maybe because of that we can have other seasons about it. And I'm gonna see that on another day because clearly it's 8 PM. Really, I wanted to see the second episode. We're finishing with no lights. I don't know how it's doing it, you know, with the picture, if it's okay or not. I'm sorry if it's not, but I wanted to watch the second episode and I'm glad that I did it because it was so great. It was, I was gonna say, less bloody than the first one, which is the case. We lost less people, but still I had some surprise moments, you know, action moments, bloody moments. Still, it's cool. It's really promising. The first episode was really exciting because of the story, you know, because of the games that we're gonna play, because of all of these promising action moments and, you know, mind games. It was really promising for that. This second episode is promising also because it's telling us that we're gonna explore the characters, that we're gonna go deep into their psychologies, and also we're gonna play with their stories, with their experiences in life, you know, and all with their backgrounds. So these 2 episodes are really promising for different reasons, but reasons that I love. You know that in shows that I love, I want 3 things. I want good stories, development for characters, and subjects, you know, that we can explore, society subjects and all. I have already these 3 things. It's so good! Oh, it has been so long that I was not excited that much for a new show, you know, discovering a new show, a new universe, something new. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna finish today, but I think that I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Not for you, but for me. Again, I think that I'm gonna put these videos in addition of my usual schedule. I'm reacting also to Death Note, The Legend of Korra and The Walking Dead. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna put these videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'm gonna have the time to watch, edit, post all of them. In addition of the videos that you're already gonna have. And remember that you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day and with an extended or full action part. Extended, I think that it's gonna be at least 10 minutes longer, if you can be interested by that. Check the description. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now, bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.